like it. I don't know what you know there. I go carry at the top.
What is wrong with you? What did happen? Why the don't pay your NEPA bill? Which don't pay your NEPA bill? You woman that blocked your hair. You know?
My machine goes one here, I don't go to 50.
Okay, if you know carry me this time, I don't pay you. I pay your money.
Maybe I go back.
For what?
I tell you.
Wait,
I go back.
you don't say me I don't mad for this time before you, like because I carry Bible.
Wait, okay, the man. Yeah, the grace. Me.
Guys, if you touch me again, you get problem. Don't just
You
touch
never
me
see
again.
something like that. Pay me my money.
Okay, you won't fight me, ba?
Okay, you not gonna do anything.
For your mind, you won't fight me.
You not gonna do anything.
You will see fight. You talk to my mind. This one I don't do. You never do.
You not gonna do anything.
Just like me, ba? Where you go?
That thing wey landlord talk the other day say we wey dey pay 2,500 go begin to pay 5,000 and you wey dey pay 10,000 go pay 20. See that thing dey bother me.
Now because of the thing well landlord talk, now make you no go work.
I don't dey think the thing.
You won't get high BP.
Hi. Chineke. Oh boy, Ankesaya.
Nebo.
I don't say this guy, Papa, na DPO.
Like Anma. Okay. Okay, landlord. Now you. Okay. I forget I for come your house yesterday. I can't explain to you.
Explain what?
Say I carry that keke they run yesterday. I no say the water where they pass they deep. I can't carry keke, just enter there. Woo! The thing can't eat me and keke. I can't pay them 5,000. He remain 5,000. Okay, I will soon come back. Can't tell you. Make you give me 5,000. Even that people sees that keke.
I don't get you today. You say you be prophet. Now today, devil go judge me. If you know the kind prayer where you go pray, make you pray. Look at how you enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself. You see, you drink, you see, you drink. Where they go? Sit down here. Huh? I said sit down here.
Arrest this man! Arrest this man! This is the face! See your face!
Don't tell my cloth.
See your
Don't
face!
tell my cloth.
You know
whether you be police, whether are you a soldier?
I know they fear your face.
You supposed to fear my face.
I know they fear your face.
I don't drive this keke before they give you uniform.
Okay, you must follow me in this office. I know. You see, if you okay, let's go. Okay,